Why are we goddamn fucking stopped? Do something! Telling you. The morning's got nothing but assholes out. So, anyway. Guy gets on an airplane. Sits down. Woman gets on the same airplane, sits down next to him.
You talked about this.
Not on film.
Okay. So she sits down next to him.
So she sits down next to him. And the guy sitting there takes a napkin and starts writing on the napkin. Now, he
What's he writing?
No, he was...
What was he writing? My food is good.
No, he was sitting there and
Do
he
you
had
like me? Check yes or no.
He had a dark complexion, a beard, crop of unruly hair. So the plane pulls out and gets ready to get in line to take off, to going to their destination. So the woman passes the stewardess, or steward, as the case may be.
Air flight attendant.
Whatever.
Hello, Juggernaut.
One of the serving sluts, you know.
Stove.
Anyway, so she passes the note. The steward reads the note.
Was it printed? Please tell me her note was printed.
It didn't say. So she passes the note to the pilot.
It's probably written on Bible pages.
The pilot turns the plane around, goes back to the gate. They take the guy, they remove him from the airplane, and the FBI is questioning him.
Did they question him with the rubber hose?
And you're gonna sit there like a fucking scumhead. Go the fuck on. Stupid.
Remember you used to call people silly?
No, it was always stupid. Look at this motherfucker.
No, you called someone a silly, stupid bastard. And I almost was in tears that morning because it was so funny the way you said it.
He stopped all the way back there because this guy was on the fucking street. You fucking stupid motherfucker. Anyway. So this woman,
silly, stupid motherfucker. That's
so this woman passed the note to the steward. The steward read it, gave it to the pilot. The pilot turned the plane around and went back to the gate. They took the guy off the plane and they're questioning him. The note that the woman gave the stewardess said that the man sitting next to her was writing something very strange
and
mysterious on his paper. And
he was probably a wizard from Hogwarts.
And she said he was probably a terrorist because he looked like one.
He was a wizard from Hogwarts.
Look at this crazy motherfucker.
What?
This. You stupid.
He had somewhere to go.
So,
how was he supposed to get there?
So the woman said that she got so upset she just couldn't go on with the flight.
So she had killed herself.
No, she had to get off the fucking airplane. Now, can you imagine this? The fucking guy was an Italian from Italy.
Where else did they make Italians?
From Italy. From Italy. He was Italian. He was a fucking mathematician going over a math formula that he was going to present at a conference he was going to.
Math is the language of the devil, though.
You fucking crazy Muslim haters.
Don't even know.
You know what? Give up Arabic. Go back to Roman numerals. That'll make you happier.
They can't understand Roman numerals.
They can't understand Arabic either.
Aramaic is what Jesus spoke.
No.
Yeah, Arabic.
Arabic, whatever. Whatever.
Stop correcting me!
She inconvenienced all these stupid motherfuckers on this airplane Because
she's ignorant.
Because she was so stupid she couldn't recognize a fucking math problem on a piece of paper.
You know, I couldn't work that math problem that he had, but I did recognize it as math because when I felt it was an evil presence on my soul. I needed to get some holy water. I'm telling you.
I mean, all right, I don't know algebra. I don't know trigonometry.
Dude,
I don't
he was
know any of that shit.
Both of that.
I don't know any of that shit. But if I look at a fucking piece of paper and I see lines with numbers, with the V and the pi sign on, it's a math formula.
He probably had all kinds of Greek letters in there.
It's a fucking math formula. What the fuck are you thinking about?
I had a friend who, she was a physicist, and the shit she put out, it made, I said, there is the devil.
Made your fucking eyes water.
Yeah,
right?
I said, the devil is with us. The devil is among us. The devil is alive, and there he is. There's proof of his language. But that's a joke. I mean, it's because I just can't add.
I can't do any of that shit. Neither am I. I can't do that shit.
But I do recognize it when I see it, just as I recognize Arabic when I see it, and a few other languages.
Numbers are Arabic. They were invented in Arabia somewhere.
The hell you say?
Yes, actually they were. If you hate fucking Muslims so much, give them up. Use Roman numerals. XXX, XXI, XXII.
You don't even know what those mean.
Yeah, it's 32. XXXII is 32.
What's XIX?
XIX is 19.
You are good at these.
Because if it comes before the 10, which the X is, you subtract 1.
Yeah, you do know.
And that's about as far as I can go, because I don't know the rest.
So you don't know. So if I had said
you know
LIX, you would have known what that is.
So you know, you know how the movies you watch on TV, if you run the fucking credits at the bottom,
yeah,
it'll have Roman numerals.
Yeah, I do.
That's the date it was made. I could never figure them out.
Oh well, I can tell you. MM is 2000.
Really?
Yeah.
M is 1,000.
M is 1,000.
Okay. So IM is 999.
No, it isn't.
Sure it is.
No,
because you're subtracting 1
I
from
promise you it's not.
Okay. Okay.
Yay, Roman numerals.
Fucking Muslim hopes. What the fuck's a Muslim ever done to you? I mean, really? I ain't had a fucking Muslim
blew
do
up
shit
the
to
World
me.
Trade Center.
No.
Well, I don't like how you group the whole, you know, every Muslim did not blow up the World Trade Center.
The people who blew up the World Trade Center was Saudi Arabian and Egyptian. Which brings to mind, why the fuck did we go to Iraq? But, you know, that's for another time.
That's for another time?
Yeah.
I mean...
Could it be that the Bushis were in bed with the Saudi princes? Because oil.
Are they hot?
Because oil. Bush's money is oil. So you don't want to piss off your supplier.
So...
But that's neither here nor there. So let's start looking up under all these rocks and dig out all these fucking Muslim terrorists. Because, you know, there they are. On an airplane, scribbling down how they're going to take over.
In plain view, where everybody can see it.
Uh-huh.
And you know, she was thinking, we got one!
Yeah. She got off the airplane.
I bet people are
I would have been
her.
so fucking angry. I'd like to beat the shit out of that woman. Here I am trying to get somewhere, and now I gotta go back to the fucking gate. Gotta wait in line again to fucking take off. My shit is delayed. I might miss my fucking connecting flight. All because you can't fucking read numbers.
Was the article, did it tell us how long those people had to wait?
They were in, by the time the pilot got the note, they were in line to take off.
Right, but how long was their next flight delayed?
They had to turn the plane around, get out of line, come all the way around, come back to the fucking gate. They had to call the police to take the guy off the fucking airplane. So you're talking about what? At least a fucking hour?
At least.
At least.
in those uncomfortable fucking chairs in that hot ass plane, and no one can pee.
Well, they have a bathroom, but
They don't let you use it unless you're in flight.
the whole thing. I would have been so fucking angry, man. Oh my God, I would have been angry.
So you would beat that bitch down.
But man, if I could legally do it, I would have strangled that fucking hoe. Cause you can't read. Cause you can't fucking read numbers. I get fucking delayed for an hour. Cause you're that fucking stupid. That you can't look. I mean, what the fuck were you doing looking at his papers anyway? Don't you know this thing called privacy? The guy's sitting there with a piece of paper. What's he gonna do? Slice your throat with it?
Yeah.
Jesus
Those paper cuts are
fucking
the
Christ!
worst.
Believe me, I would have been so. I would have saw red if I knew this shit was going on. If that was me, I would have saw red. I would have been so fucking angry. Bye. Go home.